Hello, friends. I am Laniha Jansu. How are you doing mentally and physically? I hope you're well. Today, I'm reviewing Innisfree Beauty Tool My Foundation Brush Glow. This brush is quite famous in Korea, and today we will test why. It comes in a transparent envelope-like packaging with a cover on the brush's head. It claims that a high performance foundation brush boosts a rounded brush tip, densely packed soft bristles to promote close adherence of foundation to skin. Perfect for building coverage and blending. Recommended using with Innisfree's My To Go Foundation Glow. It is a flat round brush with really soft bristles. The bristles are of high quality. They're not too densely packed as to not soak up too much product. I have been using it for almost a year now, and let me tell you that it applies products genuinely well. Innisfree foundation brush applies foundation very thinly and blends it out seamlessly. But there is one con that I have found: if I'm not careful while using this foundation or any foundation, this brush eats it up. You can see how different my application is from using the brush on my face and using fingers on my face instead. See? The face where I use the brush, my skin looks dewy, glowy, balanced, and natural. But where I use my fingers to blend in the product, my skin looks little oily rather than glowy. This brush distributes the foundation evenly without making it look patchy or cakey. I use less foundation ever since I started using this foundation brush. It gives a beautiful finish to every foundation. The best part about the Innisfree foundation brush is that it finishes application faster than most brushes and sponges. It works better with liquidy foundations as most flat brushes do. It is easy to clean or wash, and it is reasonably priced. It leaves a few brush strokes, but going over it and patting the flat side of the brush solves it instantly. I will rate Innisfree foundation brush a 4 by 5. I would recommend this to everyone for daily makeup and natural makeup looks, but if you're someone who prefers heavy makeup, then it might not be for you. If you like my review, then don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below and I will reply to all your queries. See you guys next time. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.